So I'm getting ready to do a little bit of work on my dually. I'm going to start grinding down those welds that the previous installer did not do. Sorry, not welds, but cut marks that the previous installer did not cut down because of the fact that it started rubbing into the bag. So yeah, that's what I'm about to start doing. So let's see how this works out. And just to remind you what I'm looking at is down here at the bottom. All those jagged marks right there got to come out. I mean, that is just bad. Because that's going to pop a bag. So, went and bought me a new tool. So, I bought a new tool last week. So, I could do this. Luckily, I had a 30% off coupon for Harbor Freight. And this right here, we use at the shop that I worked at. Basically, all it is just an angle belt sander. So you can get into hard to reach places, and they work phenomenal. They're inexpensive, about 40 bucks. So it's going to allow me to do what I need to do and get this thing cleaned up. So I'm setting up right now, going to get to work, and I'll throw some sparks. Definitely looks better than it did. So let's see what I can do here. It's getting there. Only taking a little bit of time. Trying to get it all evened out because I want it to look nice when I'm done. But instead of being all janky and jagged, it's all nice and getting smooth. Still got quite a bit of more work to do because I want it to look good. But a little bit of elbow grease always works. Alright, so it's not really getting late or anything, but it's getting dark out and it's cold. It's not freezing or anything. I just don't feel like being out here anymore today. It's been a long day. Between car event that we went to out in Little Rock at Twin Peaks to messing with this thing to rebuilding my grill, I'm ready to go inside, sit down, and relax. Plus, I got to figure out dinner. So, show you my progress real quick. 1 second. Sorry, I couldn't get that out. All right. So, if you cannot tell, with just a little bit of elbow grease, it is looking a whole lot better. You know, it's all smoothed out, rounded out. I've still got to do some cleaning on the inside lip because it's still jagged in there. But I'm going to be honest, I need to go get a couple more DA bits because I need to be able to get in there with that. But if I can get it to focus, you can see it's nice and rounded in there. There we go, much better view. But all those jagged edges are gone. I want to get in there and clean it up a little bit more. I'm gonna get my vacuum in there and vacuum out all that debris. And then I'm gonna tape up that that brass line you see right there, the copper line, sorry. So that when I reinstall the airbags, you know, I don't have any issues. I did have a small leak on this side. But there you go. This thing is starting to look really good. Starting to take shape. I've got a lot of work to do on the control arm, and then I got to do the passenger side. So it's going to take a little time. It's going to be a little bit of a project, but you know what? That's fine. It is what it is. I want to be able to drive this thing and not worry about it. So I'd rather do it right the first time. So with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all watching. Like, subscribe, all that good jazz, whatever you want to call it. But I'm getting my YouTube channel going too. I've got some videos I'm going to start posting. I've done a lot of shorts on YouTube, but I'm going to start posting some longer videos. So enjoy. Appreciate it. Thank y'all.